This is the best $10 that I have spent on TikTok. This foamer is absolutely amazing. If you're tired of taking out the pressure washer to clean your vehicles, you gotta get this thing. It is absolutely amazing. All you gotta do is put some water in it, put your car cleaning solution, some detergent, whatever you want to put in here, pump it up, and you're ready to go. Check it out. You can foam your entire wheel. You can foam your entire car. This thing is absolutely amazing. One fill, I was able to foam this car multiple times. Definitely grab yours right now. They are on sale. They're super handy and very useful, especially in these hot summers that we are having. If you want to keep your car clean, this is perfect. Also, you can use this to foam up your wheels, especially if you get that brake grime and they constantly look dirty. This foamer is absolutely amazing. Grab yours right now before they sell out.